Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to work on Upwork. So if you're new to freelancing or just new to Upwork, this video will guide you through everything you need to know to start working on Upwork in 2024. So let's get started. The first step is creating your Upwork account. Navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Upwork login. Now click on www.upwork.com. And this is going to take you to this page. On this page, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose between these two options, whether you're a client hiring for a project or you're a freelancer looking for work. So I'm going to choose I'm a freelancer looking for work. Now click on apply as a freelancer. On this page, enter your first name, last name, email, create a password, choose your country and click on yes, I understand and agree to Upwork's terms of service. Now click on create my account. After that, finish setting up your Upwork account and you'll be logged into your Upwork's dashboard. So follow all the prompts to create your freelancing profile. Make sure to fill out your profile completely and include a professional photo, write a compelling overview and list your skills and experience. Your profile is like a resume on Upwork, so take the time to make it stand out. Next, you need to decide what services you will offer. Are you a graphic designer, a writer, a web developer, or maybe a digital marketer? Selecting a niche helps you target specific clients and projects. If you're unsure, think about your skills, experience, and what you enjoy doing the most. You can always expand your services later as you gain more experience. Once your profile is set up, it's time to find jobs. Use Upwork's search function to look for jobs that match your skills. For example, if you're a social media manager, type in social media manager in the field, that is the search bar, and this is going to show you all the jobs that will be related to this position. You can also filter results by budget, client ratings, and project duration to find the best opportunities for you by choosing that filter at the left corner of your screen. Make sure to carefully read the job description and requirements before applying. So I will click on this job post and read all the job descriptions available on this page. The more aligned a job is with your skills, the higher your chances of getting hired. To land a job on Upwork, you will need to write a compelling proposal. So click on the apply now button at the top right corner. This is going to take you to submit a proposal page. Scroll down and on this page, choose how often do you want a rate increase. Now in the cover letter section, you'll have to write a proposal that should be tailored to this job that you're applying for. Start with a personalized greeting, mention your relevant experience and explain how you can solve the client's problem. Keep it concise and end with a clear call to action, like asking for a meeting or a chance to discuss the project further. Setting your rates can be tricky, especially when you're just starting. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and set your rates accordingly. So write a cover letter in this field. Now scroll down. Navigate to the boost your proposal section. Here you can click on send a bid and add more connects to place your proposal further at higher ranking among other proposals. If you don't have enough connects, click on send for the connects required. After that, this proposal will be sent to the client. The client will review this proposal and hire you accordingly. Once you've landed the job, it's important to manage your work efficiently. Use Upwork's platform to communicate with clients, track your time, submit your work, and always deliver high quality work on time. And make sure to keep your clients updated throughout the projects because a good communication and reliability are key to building long-term relationships with clients. When it comes to getting paid, Upwork makes it easy. Payments are processed through the platform. You can choose to get paid via direct deposit, PayPal, or other methods. Make sure to set up your payment preferences in advance. Once you complete a project and the client approves it, you will receive your payment after a short processing period. On Upwork, your reputation is everything. After completing a job, ask your client to leave feedback. Positive reviews and high ratings will always help you stand out and attract more clients. Focus on building a strong reputation by delivering great work and maintaining professional relationships. Over time, you will find that repeat clients and referrals can become a significant part of your business. And there you have it, a complete guide to working on Upwork in 2024. Remember, success on Upwork doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and the right approach, you can build a thriving freelance business. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.